Ever struggled to track form submissions happening inside an iframe, leaving your conversion data incomplete? Let's dive in and learn how to meticulously track those elusive iframe form submissions. First, we need to prep our Google Tag Manager GTM Workspace. Navigate to Triggers. Click on New to create a new trigger from the trigger types. Select Custom Event. This is our secret weapon for catching data from within the iframe. In the trigger configuration, name your trigger something descriptive, like iframe form submission. Now, here's where the magic happens. We'll add the same custom event name used in our iframe script. Next, we'll need a tag to send this data. Create a new tag in GTM. Select Universal Analytics or the version of Google Analytics you're using, and configure your tag. Select event as the track type. Fill in the event details, and select the custom trigger that was created in the previous steps. To capture those iframe form submissions, you'll need to add some JavaScript to your website, ideally as close to the iframe as possible. This script listens for the form submission and pushes a custom event to the data layer. The event name will match the custom trigger. Finally, test your setup, preview your GTM changes, interact with the iframe form, and verify in the preview mode in GTM by checking the data layer that the custom event trigger is firing correctly and that the tag is also firing. There you have it, accurate iframe form tracking.